everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put together this Santa tray. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. I'm just going to use a lot of stuff that I already had lying around the house. These stickers were from Dollar Tree and I'm going to be using one of them. I'm going to be using the little piece that I took off a frame from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and cover it up with this paper that I had from Hobby Lobby. I just wanted to give it a little more Christmas look, so that's what I'm going to be doing. This was an open collab from Kathy's Favorite Things and Elsa the Bargain Hunter, and it was just whoever wanted to join in and create a tray for Santa could do so. And I'm gonna go ahead and link their videos down below. But this is just to show you guys that you guys could pretty much use anything to decorate around the house and create a little tray for Santa, so your little ones could be even more excited and more into the spirit, and just keep that little tradition going. I know we always would leave Santa some cookies and milk, so I know that this is definitely something I wanted to be a part of. And here I just added that little sticker, and what I'm gonna be doing is using a little bit of white acrylic paint that I had and a Q-tip to paint this. I think it's better to use that because I could get in on the little details rather than using a paintbrush. So next I had this little empty jar that I had bought from, I believe, Dollar Tree, and it had Nescafe coffee, if I'm not mistaken, or creamer. And I already used it all up, so I decided to use it to put in my hot chocolate. My tray, I'm going to be using this charger I got at Dollar Tree, my Olaf mug I got at Five Below, and my ribbon I got at 99-cent store. And that little stand, I got it at Dollar Tree as well. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and play around with this, see how I like it. And I have my son who decided to play cameraman. Anyway, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of this buffalo check ribbon around it just to give it a little makeover. And I'm using my hot glue to put this together. And I did decide to use this wreath I got at Target for $3 at their dollar spot. And again, these are all just items I already had at home. I didn't need to go buy anything. It's just whatever is at home I used. And yeah, again, just playing around with it, see how I like everything set. And I'm going to be showing you guys two different ways that I put this together. So this is just one of them. And for the plate for the cookies, I'm going with this small plate I got at Macy's. It came in a set of 4, I believe. And it's just something I've had for years, but I thought that the design and the colors would go with the little theme I have going on here. So I'm going with that. And again, just seeing how everything's gonna be stationed, playing around with it. And then to label my hot chocolate, I decided to use the stickers which I got at Dollar Tree, and I just put them in a piece of paper, nothing special. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down to fit as a label. But I actually didn't like that it covered most of my buffalo check pattern on there. Therefore, I just made a little stand using another piece of paper to put it at the top. And to add just a small little detail to this, I decided to make a little wreath using these pipe cleaners I already had. And I had bought these at Dollar Tree. And I'm just doing this, which is, I don't know what you would call it, twisting it around in a circle and creating that little wreath. And then using a little bit of red ribbon that I already had as well, I'm gonna go ahead and make a little bow for it, just to give it a little extra detail on there. And now, time to put down some cookies for Santa Claus, the most exciting little part, because I know he's going to love them just as much as I do and Sebastian does. And here it is. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I did it using this wooden piece that my sister-in-law let me borrow. She got this at Ross for $5.99. I actually think I like this look better than the one with the charger. but you guys let me know which ones do you guys liked best. Is it the one with the charger as a tray or with this little wooden piece as the tray? Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you guys liked best. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure to turn on your post notification bell so you guys do get notified when I post new videos. Happy holidays!